Hi, this is Nick from the University of Oregon Office of Student Financial Aid and Scholarships. In this video, I will go over federal work-study, which some of you might be able to use to cover part of your net cost. If you were offered federal work-study, you'll see it just below the net cost line on your aid offer. Work-study is offered to students who have the highest financial need and submitted their FAFSA before the University of Oregon's priority filing deadline, March 1st. Work-study is a type of financial aid that you earn with a monthly paycheck. You can look for a campus job using the Handshake search engine on the Career Center website, which is career.uoregon.edu. One of the biggest benefits of work-study is that it makes it easier to find a job. There's no obligation to work, and there's no penalty if you don't use the funds. By accepting work-study, you reserve the right to use it at any time during the academic year. Conversely, if you do not accept work-study within several months from the time it was offered, it might be canceled without the possibility of reinstatement. Please note that if work-study is not part of your financial aid offer, you'll still be able to find non-work-study jobs on the Career Center website. That's it. In the next video, I'll cover federal student loans.